Hello everyone, this is Zaya from CarNewba Detailing. I'm hoping you guys are having a wonderful day, just like always. Now, I know I've been on another one of my hiatuses for the past couple months, but for good reason. As you can see, new garage, and what that means is a new home. Me and my family moved out of Chicagoland area, and we moved to the beautiful state of Arizona. I've much enjoyed my time here so far, but we have been trying to get things going on the house when it comes to some home improvement things, and also this garage itself. Now, this space you're seeing right here is the foundation for all the videos to come and all the great content to come to this channel. So I have been taking note of all your recommendations, all your comments, and all your suggestions for future videos. So you will be seeing a lot of content coming soon. You just gotta give me some time to make them, okay? You gotta remember, I've had a lot of things going on. Not only that, I have to set up my business here in the state of Arizona and my local surrounding area. I got a lot of stuff going, but I make sure to have you guys in mind as well. Just like I give 110% to all my customers and clients out in the Chicagoland area, I will do the same here and the same for you, okay? As you can see, full HD video quality, hopefully some good audio as well. Made a couple big purchases when it comes to audio and video, and hopefully you guys can see the results of that in your viewing experience. Now, the garage itself was completely empty when I came to this house, and I have made a few changes and modifications to the garage. Mainly some shelving and making everything more usable for detailing and studio-wise in general. Now, I'm sure you guys have seen plenty of videos on ultimate dream detailing garages. Now, a lot of those videos are very excessive when it comes to purchasing and what they got going on in the garages, and a lot of it is unnecessary. More power to the people that do it though. It's awesome to see people build their dream garage for detailing. But what you're gonna see here is very simple, affordable, and something that you can do at home as well. It's nothing major. It might not be the prettiest, but everything works the way it should be, and everything is usable like I stated before, okay? And I'm gonna show you around the garage, and hopefully you guys will like it. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, so as you can see, this is just a little bit of an overview of the garage. It is a one-car garage, but there is plenty of space for all my materials, tools, products, etc., etc. The garage space itself prior was completely empty. I had no shelving. I also added some kind of like rubber texture flooring to the garage just to make it a little softer on the feet. It's also very easy to clean, just a vacuum and a mop will do. Besides that, I do still have this empty wall. I'm thinking about getting a CarNewba detailing poster or banner to fill that up and give it some pop. Now, I do have two windows as well to give me some natural lighting in the garage, and also the two work lights that I utilize on the job and also for video recording. Now, here are the aluminum shelves that I installed. I did purchase everything from Home Depot. It was around $80 or so for both the shelves and the mounting points and brackets. I do keep most of my lighter items on these shelves because heavier items do bend the shelves slightly. Now, I just have your standard lifetime foldable table. You've probably seen it at your local picnic. Besides that, I do still have my trusty Gorilla box right underneath that table. I have all my miscellaneous products, items, and tools in that box, and I also have my two buckets right over there. Now, for my totes, I did have to put two brackets underneath the totes because the totes are a lot heavier than everything else, around 40 pounds or so when they are filled up. So I just want to make sure I give the aluminum shelves the proper support. Now, all my heavier items are going on this plastic shelf right over here. I did purchase this from Home Depot as well. It was $19 on sale. I got all my polishers, I got a Bluetooth speaker on there to listen to music, and I also got my concentrate bottles on the bottom and my diluted stuff right over there. And then I do also have my steamer, vacuum, and some extension cords. Now, for the work light, I've had it for a while now. It's been about a year and a half that I've been using these work lights, and they are great. They got two settings, 5,000 lumens and 2,500 lumens. I have dropped one of them twice, and it has not broken on me yet. So yeah, they're pretty durable stuff. I really like them. No complaints there. I'll try to leave a link in the description for that. Now, I do have some attic space, also an outlet above on the ceiling, and I reeled that down to the table so I can plug everything in, and also an outlet over there to the left on the empty wall. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now, like I said, it's just an overview of the garage. There are a few changes coming soon when it comes to the garage itself. Number one is cooling in this place. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm sweating like crazy. It's 110 degrees outside. This place is basically an oven. It's really hot right now. And my black shirt is not helping when I'm outside either. So cooling is going to be one thing on my list to do ASAP for the garage. Now I'm not going to have like a portable AC or a window AC or anything like that. Electricity is very expensive around my area. So I'm trying to look for more affordable options that do get the job done. And one of those options is an evaporative cooler or something like a swamp cooler, it's referred to as well. And what that does, it's basically a natural water cooling system with a fan. So it's not going to be a huge difference, maybe 20 to 30 degrees. I mean, it's not going to be like an AC, but it will get the job done more than enough. It's maybe around 105 degrees in this garage right now, 100 degrees, and I just need it to be dropped down around 70 to 80 degrees, and that's more than enough for me. I've been sitting on my desk with a little table fan, and that's helped out a lot, so I'm sure an evaporative cooler is going to get the job done. Another thing is lighting. I do have the 2 work lights that I showed you guys, which are great, but I don't want those on 24/7 because they're very excessively bright. So I will get some improved lighting on the ceiling. I showed you guys that stupid interior house lamp that they had going on in this garage. I don't know why they put that in there. There's another one of that in our 2-car garage as well. I'm going to replace both of those with some nice bright work garage lights as well. Besides that, like I said, the flooring itself, I'm not going to seal the cement or anything for now. I'm not seeing myself washing cars in this area whatsoever anytime soon. I have beautiful weather year-round, so there's no need to be inside to detail a car. I can do it outside, and that's perfectly fine. Now, another big issue when it comes to where I live currently, the water from the garden hose itself and just water in general is very heavy mineral based. So there's a lot of minerals and contaminants in the water itself. Sadly, when I was in the Chicagoland area, we got our water from the Great Lakes, Lake Michigan, so our water is pretty fresh, and there's no need to have deionized or reverse osmosis water, but that's what we're going to have to get here. We're going to have to get a water softener, a water filter system for the inside, and also the exterior hoses. I have purchased the exterior hose ones so I can get to providing services to my customers or my future customers and clients around here. But besides that, that's really it. I will keep you guys updated on more. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe below. And if you have any more questions, comments, or concerns, comment below as well. Everything that you see when it comes to shelving and table and stuff like that, I will link in the description with prices below. So keep an eye out for that as well. Thank you again. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day.